うすぐらい. We use it for places like a room, a forest, a hallway, or a street in the evening. うすぐらい、部屋、森、廊下、夕方の道などの様子を言うときに使います。It is an E adjective. うすぐらい describes places that are not bright but not pitch black either. Dim, shadowy, slightly dark. 明るくないが、真っ暗でもない状態。光が弱くて、物が少し見えにくい感じです。The first kanji means thin or light. You see it in 薄い and 薄める. Both keep the idea of low intensity or weak strength. Think of pale color or watered soup. The second kanji means dark. You see it in 暗い and 暗記. The core idea is a lack of light or clarity. Even 暗記 hints at bringing what is unclear into memory. This room is dimly lit. この部屋は薄暗い。この部屋は薄暗い。The hallway is dimly lit in the morning. 朝の廊下は薄暗いです。朝の廊下は薄暗いです。I can't see the way in the dark forest. 薄暗い森で道が見えません。薄暗い森で道が見えません。It's dark, so I turn on the light. 薄暗いので電気をつけます。薄暗いので電気をつけます。The most common synonyms of the word are 暗い and ほの暗い。暗い is stronger and can feel fully dark. ほの暗い is softer and suggests a faint, gentle darkness, very close to 薄暗い. The most common antonyms of the word are 明るい and 眩しい. 明るい is simply bright and easy to see. 眩しい is even stronger, a brightness that almost hurts the eyes, the opposite feel of 薄暗い.